Hello there, and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more. And if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to change the update settings of every Steam game separately. Start by opening up Steam and go to your library. In your library, right-click on the game you would like to change the update settings of, and choose Properties. In the Properties menu, click on Updates, and here you go. For the automatic updates, you've got three options. Always keep this game updated. This speaks for itself. The game will update automatically once there is an update available and Steam is opened up. Only update this game when I launch it also speaks for itself. High priority will set this game's updates over other updates, so they will be first in your update list. Also, for every game separately, you can allow or forbid Steam to update other games while you start playing this game, or let all updates pause when you launch this specific game. Now, let me change these settings real quick to show you this actually works for every game on its own. As you can see, when I go to these settings on another game, you can change them for this game only. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.